Hi folks, I'm John with the Pain Cure Clinic, where we teach people how to cure chronic pain without medical treatment. Today we're going to talk about taking action to cure whatever chronic illness you've got. So I'm assuming that you're open to the mind-body connection, but maybe you haven't quite figured out what to do. Don't feel bad, most people don't. What happens is they get stuck processing their feelings, and while that's not bad, it's not usually enough to get the job done. Here's the top 4 action items most people are using to cure their psychosomatic pain. Meditation, journaling, positive affirmations, and psychotherapy. Now, you may have already figured out that that stuff by itself doesn't work, or at least it doesn't lead to a permanent cure. You might get a little bit better, but then it comes right back. That's not good enough. For a permanent cure, you're going to have to take real actions in the real world. You can't just think your pain away, or as Bruce Lee once said, knowing is not enough, you must act. Being willing is not enough, you must do. Now, it's also important to note that passive exercises like journaling leave you with a feeling of lack of control. Taking real action puts you in control, not the pain. I no longer fear the pain coming back because I know I'm in control. So in order to cure fibromyalgia or rheumatoid arthritis or whatever chronic illness you have to take actions that resolve the underlying subconscious stress. Because the body is a reflection of the subconscious mind, and that's where the pain is coming from. So to stop the pain, you have to cut off its fuel supply. You have to take action in 3 distinct categories, and those categories are: changing belief means converting your belief from a medical cause to a psychological one. To permanently cure yourself, you have to change your belief 100%, and that actually takes significant action. We instruct our clients to study, just like in school, for 90 days straight. You have to erase what doctors have told you all these years and then reprogram yourself. And that takes time, and that takes effort, and that takes work. Reducing your stress means taking action to change the things that are creating the subconscious stress. You can't just journal and meditate about your problems. You have to solve them. Sometimes that's unpleasant, sometimes it's complicated, and sometimes it's really hard. It doesn't matter. You have to do it, because then and only then will the pain go away permanently. Lastly, moving the body is a very direct action that is always necessary to cure chronic pain permanently. Again, you can't just think your pain away. And I know what some of you are thinking. Yes, exercise is time-consuming, and again, it's not particularly easy, but it's an action that you have to take to be successful. Vigorous physical activity is not optional, and there's a ton of evidence that supports it. Remember, the stressed out mind creates pain in the body, but the physically energized body relaxes the mind, which in turn heals pain. It's the mind-body connection, and those connections go in both directions. Now, this is not speculation. We've coached over 500 people and then had another 300 people go through our online course. And here's what we've learned. People who take lots of real actions get better almost 100% of the time. People who rely on journaling and psychotherapy and just think about their feelings rarely seem to be cured. If you've been trying to cure your pain using the mind-body connection for more than a couple months and you're not making progress, you're not doing it right. Check out paincureclinic.us. There is a link below, and our online course is a great first action step to take. Thanks for watching.